Hi guys! For today's kain serye, gusto ko talaga mag-Japan and South Korea. Mali! I'm just craving for their food, guys. Good thing may paboritong kapitbahay 7-Eleven keeps on expanding their international flavors sa 7 Fresh lineup. Food of the day, 7 Fresh salted egg chicken onigirazu at 7 Fresh no cheese chicken gimbap. Look! South Korean or Japanese-inspired snacks na perfect kapag merong mga biglaang craving for flavorful, filling, and sulit. Ang sarap. Tapos, very flavorful. May konting kick na anghang. Wow. Perfect to kapag pumupunta sa school. Bilis-bilis lang. Parang nasa Korean. Sa Korean na talaga ako. Sarap. Alam mo yung flavors? Make it feel like I'm on a Japan and Korean adventure. Ang comforting ng lasa and guys, very affordable to. 89 pesos lang to guys. Ito yung salted egg chicken onigirazu nila. Tapos for the snow cheese chicken gimbap, 85 pesos. No need na mag-travel para masatisfy yung South Korea and Japan food cravings. Let's Eat Pari approved din to guys. Kaya naman ano pang iniintay nyo, i-level up nyo na rin yung food adventure nyo. Dahil, isa lang masasabi ko, approved to kay Danny. Try mo na rin to. Available on select 7-Eleven Luzon stores.